Hello, Mr. Cameraman. How are you doing? I'm doing great, McQueen. This is such a wonderful day and... Eugene... okay. This is such a wonderful day and... Kevin? Kevin Shiftright! McQueen! Oh, I remembered you. Aww. Oh, Mr. Shiftright, I feel so happy to be reunited with you again. Me too, McQueen. I have not seen you for years. Neither have I, Kevin. Neither have I, Mr. Shiftright. Wait, who are those guys? Wait, is that Dexter? Dexter and Todd and Eugene. McQueen! I remembered you. I remember you guys too. Dexter, Todd, and Eugene. I feel so happy to be reunited with you again. Me too, McQueen. We have not seen you for years. Neither have I, Dexter, Todd, and Eugene. Hey guys, come over here! Hey guys, come over here! More of our old friends are here! More of our old friends? Oh my gosh, let me see! Hey, let me see! Hey, let me see! Whoa! Wait, oh my gosh! Dexter, Todd, Mr. Shiftright, and Eugene! The King? Oh, Mr. the King! Oh, I remembered you guys. Oh, oh my gosh. I feel so happy to be reunited with you again. Me too, Mr. the King. Me 3, me 4, me 5. We have not seen you for years. Neither have I, Dexter, Todd, Mr. Shiftright, and Eugene. Oh, what's going on here? Yeah, what's going on here? What's all the commotion? Wait, oh my gosh. Wait a minute. Wait, oh my gosh. Dexter, Todd, Mr. Shiftright, and Eugene. Billy! Billy! Oh, I remembered you guys. Aww. Oh, I feel so happy to be reunited with you guys again. Me too, Billy. Me 3, me 4, me 5. We have not seen you for years, Billy. Neither have I, Dexter, Todd, Mr. Shiftright, and Eugene. Hey guys, what's going on here? Dexter? Dexter, Todd, Mr. Shiftright, and Eugene. Claude! Oh, I remembered you guys. Oh, wow. I'm really happy to be reunited with you guys again. Me too, Claude. Me 3, me 4, me 5. We have not seen you for years. Neither have I, Dexter, Todd, Mr. Shiftright, and Eugene. Hi guys. Well, what's going on here? Wait, is that... Oh my gosh! Dexter, Todd, Mr. Shiftright, and Eugene! Chuck! Oh, I remembered you guys! Aww. Oh, I feel so happy to be reunited with you guys again. Me too, Chuck. Me 3, me 4, me 5. We have not seen you for years. Neither have I, Dexter, Todd, Mr. Shiftright, and Eugene. Dexter! Todd! Mr. Shiftright and Eugene! Krusty! Oh, I remembered you guys! Aww. Oh, I feel so happy to be reunited with you guys again. Me too, Krusty. Me 3, me 4, me 5. We have not seen you for years. Neither have I, Dexter, Todd, Mr. Shiftright, and Eugene. Hi guys, what's going on here? Dexter, Todd, Mr. Shiftright, and Eugene. Floyd! Oh, I remembered you guys! Aww. You know, guys, I'm so happy to be reunited with you guys again. Me too, Floyd. Yeah, me too, Floyd. Me 3, me 4, me 5. We have not seen you for years. Neither have I, Dexter, Todd, Mr. Shiftright, and Eugene. Hey, what's going on here? Dexter, Todd, Mr. Shiftright, and Eugene. Daryl. Oh, I remembered you guys. Oh. You know, I'm really happy to be reunited with you guys again. Me too, Daryl. Me 3, me 4, me 5. We have not seen you for years. Neither have I, Dexter, Todd, and Mr. Shiftright, and Eugene. Hey guys, what's going on here? Wait a minute. Oh my gosh. Dexter, Todd, Mr. Shiftright, and Eugene. Charlie! Oh, I remembered you guys. Aww. Oh, I feel so happy to be reunited with you guys again. Me too, Charlie. Me 3. Me too, Charlie. Me 3, me 4, me 5. We have not seen you for years. Neither have I, Dexter, Todd, Mr. Shiftright, and Eugene. Hi guys. So what's going on here? Oh my gosh, Dexter, Todd, Mr. Shiftright, and Eugene. Tom. Oh, I remembered you guys. Aww. Oh, I feel so happy to be reunited with you guys again. Me too, Tom. Me 3, me 4, me 5. We have not seen you for years. Neither have I, Dexter, Todd, Mr. Shiftright, and Eugene. Oh, wait, is that Chick Hicks right over there? Yeah, it's me. Oh, wanna get my tires on you? Whoa, calm down, Todd. What do you have against Chick? That naughty green race car. Yeah, he was responsible for that huge crash at the Diecasts 400 in October 23rd, 2005. Dexter, Todd, Mr. Shiftright, and Eugene. Oh, hello, Chick. I might have known that you would be responsible for that huge crash at the Diecasts 400. and October 23rd, 2005. Yeah, it's true. I caused that crash. I only did that because I was just so sick and tired of losing all the time. Well, that does not mean you have to crash us. Yeah, that was really naughty of you. Oh yeah, I also heard. So it was you that made me ram into Claude's Scruggs and made Claude flipped upside down on my roof, which is how we ended up between roof and roof. That was horrifying. I also heard that you made the king crash. I also heard that you were disqualified for making the king crash at that tiebreaker race at the Los Angeles 200. Yeah, at the Los Angeles International Speedway. Yeah, I remember that too. That was not nice of you. Yes, that was not nice of you. Yep, it's true, guys. Chick did make me crash. Oh yes, okay, Dexter, Todd, Mr. Shiftright, and Eugene. Yes, yes, McQueen. I had to help the king finish his last race. Just to let you know, I had to help the king finish his last race because his crash reminded me of Doc Hudson's crash in '54. Wait, Doc Hudson? Yes. Was he a race car? Yes, he was. Well, before he retired because of his big crash in '54. Wait, his big crash was the reason why he retired? Why Doc retired as a race car? Yes, it's true, Eugene. Doc was originally called the Fabulous Hudson Hornet. Wow, fabulous? Wow, wait a minute. Have you ever seen him race? Well, I have seen him race in Willis Butte and Radiator Springs. Wow, so you have seen him race, McQueen? Yeah, it's true, I have. He was amazing. Oh yes, and Doc won 3 Piston Cups. He was a real racing legend. Wow, he won 3 Piston Cups? Yes, and he won 27 races in '52. So he held the record for most wins in a single season. Wow! Wow, unbelievable! That many wins in a single season. That many wins in a single season. Well, he was the real deal, Dexter, Todd, Mr. Shiftright, and Eugene. The Hudson Hornet was my inspiration. Oh, he was your inspiration? Oh, how nice! Wow, wow, that's interesting. Wow, wow. I feel happy that he was your inspiration. Thank you, Eugene. Wait, how come oh yes, yes, I am really happy. I'm really happy to be reunited with all of you guys again. Yeah, me too, McQueen.